Blacker Decker here with a new drill.
Brand new.
Special warranty on it too, Bill.
My name's not Bill.
Damn, well let me see this drill, Bill.
What are you doing, Jim?
Fixing this
Jim,
drill.
what?
A new can with the new drill. Black & Decker. Get it?
It's not in the video. What are you doing to the can?
Yeah.
The fuck are you doing? Wait. What happens when you drill it this way?
The same thing.
But what happens when you turn it around and drill it this way?
The same thing.
What happens when you use somebody's head? How's that feel?
I feel like a new person. Thank you.
Alright, can we go to Deerberg's? You gotta get an onion for my mom. We gotta go to Deerberg's.
That's what I think about Deerberg's.
That hurt your hand, didn't it?
No.
Be for real, let's go to Deerberg's.
Guess we're going to Deerberg's.
You guys are fucking stupid. Yeah, let's go to Deerberg's.
I think you're stupid.
Alright, see, that's why you don't drill shit, because then soda goes all over my computer! Let's go. Alright, let's go get an onion.